crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and I had done the embellishments for my embellishment collab, and they were these cute little tassel embellishments. Well, what do you do with them? So I decided to, after I've done the embellishments for that collab, I will put them someplace. I'm not going to just collect them and not use them. As if you've been following me, I try to use whatever I've made. So if I've made something other than a card, I try to use it in something, either a layout or a card, because that's what I do. So, and that's what I did with this. And I just layered up some coordinating colors and put it on a A2 card and put some buttons on it. And I put friend in letters that corresponded with the paper as well. And that's what I did with the first one. So buttons is the addition on this one. And then with this very simple one just for you with the tassel as well. I just love these little tassels. And you can do them with all sorts of twine or yarn or embroidery thread or whatever you have available. And then I just attached it again to coordinating paper and put some flat back pearls on it. This one was a little bit larger, and so I put it on a diagonal. I put it on paper with a border on that, and so that was an addition to it. And by the way, on these tassels, I actually halved them. I took them apart and I took half of the tassel part out so it would lay a little bit flatter. If you were using it that you didn't have to mail it or something like that, you could keep them as they are, but I tried to make them a little bit thinner so that they would fit in a envelope. So this one, again, I put it on coordinating paper and used it on a card, and then I just die cut a flower design, and I put some sparklies on it and attached it onto the center of that particular sticker. So very simple, and just use them up. You can do whatever you like with them, put them in scrapbooks or put them in planners and all sorts of things. But this is what I decided to do with these particular embellishments. So I hope you're out there crafting and doing your best to do so, and enjoy. Go craft. Bye-bye.